Video 9 of 24, Candle Flame Guided Meditation. To begin, we're just going to perform a simple hand mudra. So take your left hand and put it over your head and place your right hand just underneath it. And then inhale, filling the lungs. And as you exhale, push the right hand against the left hand. Inhaling, allow your hands to relax, filling the lungs. Exhale, push the right hand against the left hand. This simple hand mudra helps to stretch the back and shoulders and the neck. It also is a hand mudra to develop trust and knowledge. So one more time, inhale and exhale. Allow your hands to relax comfortably on your lap. Sitting upright, your feet flat on the ground, shoulders back, chin parallel to the floor, your spine erect. Allow your gaze to settle on the candle flame, which is positioned 1 to 2 meters in front of you. While allowing your gaze to settle on the candlelight, pay attention to your breathing as it naturally flows in and out. Remain focused on the burning candlelight. You may feel an impulse to look away from time to time. Allow your gaze to stay directed to the flickering flame. As you continue to look, your eyes will blink occasionally. This is okay. Simply continue to allow your gaze to stay directed towards the burning candlelight. Your mind might wander from time to time, go off in different directions. Bring your awareness back to the presence of the burning flame and stay with it. It's natural that the flame will go in and out of focus. Allow the light of the flame to draw you in, absorbing your awareness fully. After some time, your eyes may begin to water. It's best to close your eyes at this point. Close your eyes. The brightness of the candle flame may be gone, but its steady presence can be experienced. Sit, absorbed in the stillness.